My name is Mike Grimwood and I run Peter's Pies. As a business, it has grown up to what is now a 65 million turnover company. We have 650 colleagues on site, and really importantly for us, everybody's employed. We don't have agency workers. We're a big local employer, and we think that if we want people to be committed to us, then it's important for us to be committed to them also.
There's lots of job opportunities within Peter's, production, meat room. Also there's loads of offices and office jobs. So investing in our employees is really important. It makes them more confident in their roles, and they feel more valued, because they're able to progress and gain, further knowledge.
Rhywun sydd yn meddwl o dod mewn i'r diwydiant hyn, fwy na dim byd a job security sydd ar gael, a wedyn ni a datblygu yn yr swydd na wedyn ni a mynd trwy'r i fod fel rheolwr neu team leader neu mewn supervisory sort of capacity del. O fewn y cwmni, mae certainly amrywiaeth ar gafel i bobl sydd yn angen swydd. Mae yna swyddi peiriannu, technoleg, development, mae amrywiaeth yn eang de.
Well, the food industry is a fantastic business to get into. All our factory managers started on our bakery lines and have built their careers within the business. You may not be academic, you may have struggled at school, but you can start to come into our business and start to work your way up. And people have got big careers from very low starts, so it's a place where you can develop and fulfill your potential.